As you saw from the B-roll, we had a bit of light magic going on there. My secret is a disco ball. Beautiful! Using this disco ball, some water, some oil, a dish and a few other accessories, we have ourselves a nice little setup to make some macro. Check out these shots as well. Got our disco ball on the side, a couple of repurposed bee boxes. Don't worry, they won't miss them. It's winter. Also, piece of glass, have an old picture frame. We just need to diffuse that light, so we have a little bit of diffusion material here that I've cut off a piece of broken lamp. Then we need our water dish, add a few drops of olive oil, and away we go. To get a shutter speed of 1/50th of a second to keep our cinematic look with our 24 frames per second film, I've had to use an ND. After putting a couple of teaspoons of oil into our dish here, swirl it around a little, get some interesting patterns going on. As you can see, we're getting some nice swirls from the disco light below, and our oil and bubbles are standing out quite nicely against the rotating colours. To get that gentle movement, a few puffs on the water. When you are taking those still shots, just remember to keep that shutter speed up around that 1,000th of a second or maybe a bit faster, just because as you're swirling the oil, you don't want to get any blur from that movement. Hey, you may not have a disco ball at home, but don't worry. Get a couple of torches, some gels, maybe a desk lamp or something like that. Just a bit of diffusion material, your tray, some water and oil, and you'll have a good time. So I challenge you guys, get out there and shoot some oil and water macros. Look forward to seeing them. See you later.